What are the potential hazards that might cause a fire? Cooking is the primary business of a restaurant, and not surprisingly, it is the #1 cause of restaurant fires. 91% of cooking fires are small, causing little damage, but the 49% of non-confined fires, generally caused by electrical malfunction, are responsible for millions of dollars of damage yearly in restaurants. Cooking and heating are the major sources of contained or confined fires, and electrical or equipment malfunction are the next leading cause. Here are some of the things that might cause a fire. Unintentional carelessness, playing with a heat or flame source, open flame, food smokers, heating or reheating, cooking, frying, electrical malfunction, appliance malfunction, not operating equipment properly. Secondary causes include slipping, tripping, or falling, lighting matches near open flames or combustible materials, transporting hot oil or improperly disposing of oil,